You're not going to believe what I bought this time. This is completely out of my wheelhouse. This is what happens when you love old things and all, and you come up here to buy a pinball machine a few weeks ago, and you're back again. Hey man, good to see you. You doing all right?
Good, great.
So what have you hooked me in? I mean, what have you sold me?
Well, 78 Toyota pickup.
78 Toyota pickup.
And pieces.
Long bed and a bunch of pieces. Can you believe this? Steve's shaking his head at me. Look at there, bagged on the back of it. Got the stuff to bag the front. What do you think? Now we just got to get it from here to there. Well, we got it raised up. Iron the tires. Make it easier to push. I'm going to have to buy something one of these days that cranks.
What's the fun in that?
Yeah, I know, right? He's saving the day climbing in there. Man, this thing rolls easy. I'm so glad. Yeah, straighten it. You got it.
Yeah, right now.
Might come maybe towards you a little. Or no, that'll probably work. Thanks again, man.
Thank you, brother.
We got her loaded up. Now the hard part to get that thing out of the dang driveway without running into something. So I believe we got it. Now back to the farm. Well, I got it home. Now to assess it and figure out what I'm going to do with this thing. It's kind of cool. Nothing else. Different. Not my normal thing, but like I said, now that I've taken a new venture in providing for ourselves, we're going to see what we come up with this thing. Have to look through everything, but it looks pretty neat. Well, I don't have a whole lot of time, but I'm going to kind of look through some of this stuff that I got with the truck here and see what we might have and don't have and stuff. There's a whole kind of hoopla right here, so I don't know much about none of this. I don't know anything about this hydraulic stuff, so I'm kind of a shot in the dark. But anyhow, there's some beauty rings. That must be for like headlights or something. Got all kinds of hoses and things. This must be all for the hydraulic stuff. Those valves and stuff, I'm assuming, is probably for it. So let me put this down. I'll get it all out and spread it out, and then I'll show you what we got. So yeah, I got the rest of some of that stuff out. Looks like I got the tail lights. The tail lights, the grill and stuff was already over there. We seen it. Got the hood. This looks like the rest of the stuff for the front of the engine. Let's see. And then over here is all kinds of fittings and valves. I guess I'll have to get on there and figure out how they do this, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those, whatever those valves are. Like I said, I don't know nothing about this thing. I'm flying blind here. There's some nice fittings and stuff that go with all this braided stuff here. There's the bags for the front. There's the hoses. That must be the air tank. There's a little compressor. There's another one of them. I guess that's the hydraulics to make that thing go up and down and all that. So it must do all kinds of stuff. The only thing I hadn't found necessarily, and it may be in here, you would think they would be some kind of control panel. I hadn't seen that yet, but that don't mean it's not here and all this stuff. So anyway, well, that's what we got so far. I get the rest of it off and get it cleaned up. So I got you that much. I got the little Toyota home. First Toyota truck I've ever owned, actually. So we'll see how this little thing goes.
Well, after I got the little Toyota loaded up on the trailer, he's like, hey, you don't need any art or any banners or posters or anything to go in your man cave, do you? And I said, well, let's see what you got. And this is what I ended up with. Bought that big old cool sign, bought 2 big really neat banners, and then I also, back here towards the end, so you'll see I bought the signs, and this is where I put them up in the shop. And the last but not least, I bought this big old cool oil can. I ended up turning it into where I put my firewood for my garage. Thanks for watching, guys.